Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find the fuses, relays for the instrument cluster, also known as gauges or instrument panel on Jeep Cherokee, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2023. We'll explain where you can find them, and by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we're going to share that information in the description of the video below, guys. Check it out, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, let's explain where you can expect to find the fuses and the relays for the instrument cluster on your Jeep Cherokee, guys. But quick advice, you have some hidden fuse boxes in that generation Jeep Cherokee that most people do not know where they're located. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, guys. What we need to do, it's a very helpful video. We need to open the hood today. Once you open the hood, facing your engine, guys, okay, we're talking about that's the engine right here. On the right side of it, you have that main engine fuse box. You see these two tabs here? Press them together, leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. So that fuse that we need to check, then we'll talk about a relay, guys. But the fuse is special fuse. It's actually two fuses in one. Those are known as micro 3-blade fuses, and we'll always recommend to keep some spare ones because those are super hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere and you need a replacement one. You see that row of fuses? This fuse right here is fuse number 79. This is the instrument cluster, instrument panel gauges fuse. That one right here. What about a relay? You don't have any relays. You need to just check that fuse that's known as a relay fuse on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.